Hey everyone, Tony Winston here. I'm going to make a short video about the chords of Central Park West. And I haven't done any study on this song. I'm just using the chart out of the real book. So we're going to use open voicings. Starts off kind of low. So what I did mostly is whenever I had a major chord with the third on top, I changed the fifth to a sharp five. So it's kind of like an F sharp over D. And it seemed to flow nicely in the song. A few other things I did, of course, were putting in some flat nines there. And I think down here on the last line I did this and did that kind of a suspended chord there. Well, it is a suspended chord. F sharp 7 with a B has got to be, F sharp suspended. But with a flat 9 gives you a nice flavor there. There you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.